Trimlight is a permanent, programmable holiday lighting system that gives customers the ability to celebrate every holiday or special event throughout the year, providing bright, beautiful lighting at night, which is hardly noticeable during the day and stays up permanently. You never have to worry about hanging temporary lights again. The lights are held in a channel installed along the roofline, matching the color of your home. The channel holds the lights securely in place and hides the wires completely from view, while also protecting the lights from UV damage and adding architectural beauty to the home. With a very user-friendly app, customers have access to preset holiday programs, but can also create customizable colors, patterns, and animations to meet any need. The calendar feature allows customers to program their lights in advance, so they can be preset to come on for every holiday or special occasion. Trimlight offers several different channel designs, with many color options to work with any style building. Our exclusive LED lighting technology is energy efficient and designed to last for decades with minimal maintenance requirements, all with an unsurpassed lifetime product warranty. Trimlight is the original permanent holiday lighting company with a decade of experience and expertise. With over 60 locations across North America and growing, you can be confident you are working with the industry leader. With our patented system and cutting-edge technology, you will experience years of enjoyment and never have to worry about hanging lights again. Trimlight is truly made for life's moments.